What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be covering some easy and straightforward setups that our traders are using with our QuantVue toolkit to catch great trade setups on a daily basis. Be sure to watch this video all the way through because we'll show you exactly how to access these same strategies that we showcase in the video. Let's dive right in. So the strategy we're going to showcase in today's video is one of our easy and straightforward scalping strategies using two indicators in the QuantVue toolkit. The first being the Q zone indicator, which are these bull and bear alerts. And then also the money ball indicator down here. Now, this strategy also involves using our smart money concepts indicator, and many of our users are finding that the smart money concepts and price action indicator is providing some really strong confirmation on these trade setups. So let's take, for example, this was this morning. We're looking at the NASDAQ 100. We have these chart layouts. Once you sign up, you get these exact chart layouts with your QuantVue membership. So that way all the settings are configured right away. So just before the market opened, we got this bull alert here on the Q zone indicator. Once we got this uptick here on this bar, this would have been a really solid entry for your scalp. Subsequently got that flip from aqua blue or Dodger blue over to aqua blue. This scalp, nice little 0.5% move there. And then this is where you see the SMC price action indicator come into play on this strategy. The price action indicator prints these order blocks. This is what these red rectangles are. And what this allows our users to do is once we get, say, like this bear alert here, coincide with one of these demand zones on the price action indicator, it gives you some nice confluence on that entry. So once again, so same thing, this would have been a nice scalp on the short side. We wait for this candle here, this tick down, and then subsequent flip on the money ball indicator, catching this beautiful move down. So that's 0.5%, 1% in moves on the day. Now you'll also notice that the price action indicator gave us a bearish change of character here, which once again adds more confluence. So sort of a little 1-2 punch, well, 1-2-3 punch, I should say, with the Q zone, the price action indicator, and then the money ball indicator. So then we got these two down here. You could have gotten in on this uptick here for a quick scalp, otherwise waiting for a stronger move, which we ended up getting here. So once again, we get this supply zone print coinciding with this bear alert on the Q zone. Wait for your entry here, this tick down outside of the bands on the Q zone, coincided with a bearish change of character on the price action indicator. This would have been a great trade to the downside. Another over 0.5% move here on the short side. Once again, flip in that money ball indicator. So this is a nice little 3-punch combo here that a lot of our users are finding success with. So to gain access to the Q zone indicator toolkit, this price action indicator that we're showcasing here, as well as the money ball indicator down here, head over to our website, quantvue.io. You can try our entire toolkit, any plan, 100% free for 7 days. You'll see 3 tiers, the basic, the premium, and the professional. If you want access to this money ball indicator, that is only available on our professional plan. With the professional plan, not only do you get the complete system, but you're also going to get over 4 hours of course material. This is a private YouTube playlist that's sent to you once you sign up. You're also going to get access to the members only area, as well as the exclusive Pro Chat channel, which is where all of our Moneyball and professional plan members are talking shop on a daily basis, sharing trade setups. This is where our guys are sharing awesome profits here. One member hitting 3,500 here on the short side using this exact same system. Be sure to also follow us on Twitter. We've started to actively tweet out all of our latest market analysis, trading guides, what we're looking for. We share trade setups every single day here using these exact same tools, more macro level analysis as well. So be sure to follow us over there at QuantVue is our Twitter handle. Also, be sure to subscribe to our 100% free Substack, where we send out market analysis 2 to 3 times every single week, any important community updates, and you're also going to get access to indicators earlier than most members. You're also going to get access to our indicators as soon as they drop, and even early access and exclusive discounts. We'll link all of that in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for weekly trading content just like this. We'll see you in the next one.